Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best kitchen utensils set is Home Hero 25 pieces kitchen utensils set. These kitchen gadgets are made to stand the test of time. Top of the range 430 stainless steel handles provide greater durability than other plastic kitchen utensil sets. Nylon heads prevent these kitchen tools from scratching and damaging expensive non-stick pots and pans. Utensil set includes everything you need to cook that perfect dish. This fully comprehensive high-quality utensil set is available at an incredibly low price. With our premium 25-piece high-quality kitchen utensil set, you have everything at hand you need for cooking, no matter what dish you are planning to make. It features the most extensive selection of cooking utensils currently on the market. Featuring non-scratch and flexible silicone spatula. The silicone head can withstand temperatures ranging from -22 or -30 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Ideal housewarming or wedding gift. Surprise your family or friends and order the set for them. Number 2 in our side is a Sony 25-piece kitchen utensil set. This complete 25-piece kitchen utensil set includes a solid turner, slotted turner, solid spoon, slotted spoon, spoon ladle, potato masher, whisk, spatula, tongs, cheese grater, pizza cutter, peeler, can opener, ice cream spoon, wine opener, and measuring spoons. Your kitchen with a cooking utensils set crafted to last. Unlike other sets that quickly corrode or bend as you cook or serve, you have used high-quality 430 stainless steel that provides superior rust resistance and sturdiness to suit any dish. The ability to conveniently clean it in the dishwasher. It comes with 25 pieces to handle just about any task in the kitchen. We've carefully sized the utensils and fitted them with ergonomically crafted handles to make using them an experience in total comfort. These kitchen accessories are also non-stick to make cleanup easier and faster. With a clash of sleek stainless steel and contemporary black accents, these cooking essentials add a sophisticated flair to your home or apartment. This kitchen starter set makes a great housewarming or host gift and also a great holiday present for just about anyone. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best kitchen utensils set list is Mi Bodhi 17 pieces kitchen utensils set. The rigid and comfortable wooden handles greatly assist in keeping your hands cool and comfortable, as well as providing a rigid base for the silicone to prevent it from flexing into undesirable positions. The heads are soft, as expected from silicone, and suitable for a variety of kitchen tasks, particularly those involving breakfast. The spatula is ideal for flipping eggs and other delicate items on the stove, while the soft, flexible heads of the other bits are ideal for batters and mixes, allowing everything to be removed from the bowl and thoroughly mixed together before cooking. They are adequate for other purposes, but not as effective as other tools. This is more of a supplementary set than a primary one. You use it for baking and delicate tasks, while your stiffer and more rugged tools handle the tougher jobs in the kitchen. This kitchen utensils set will satisfy all your needs for cooking. Every one of them has its unique use. It would be your great companion in the kitchen. Elevate your kitchen and prepare to savor these unique kitchenware as much as the food itself. Pushing the boundary of modern culinary gadgets, light and renewable wooden cookware handles provide protection against rust and thawing. A utility hanging hole on each wooden handle for convenient storage organization using hooks or a wall mount. Our fourth pick is Rohrens utensil set. The stainless steel handle is durable and solid. The silicone coated is non-skid and comfortable to the touch, completely prevents the heat transfer during the cooking process. Heat resistance up to 250 degrees Celsius. The free and food-grade silicone does not react with food or beverages or produce any hazardous fumes. Set includes slotted spatula, slotted spoon, flexible spatula, slotted turner, solid turner, pasta server, solid spoon, kitchen tongs, draining spoon, whisk, deep soup ladle, spatulas and potato press. Dishwasher safe. The utility hanging hole designed on the handle come with 12 hooks, make they easy to hang for store. They also can be stored tidy in the Rohrens rotated utensil holder. This kitchen tool set is a perfect gift for many occasions such as Christmas, Thanksgiving, wedding, birthday, and housewarming. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is OXO 15-piece kitchen utensil set. This OXO stainless steel cooking utensil set includes all of the essentials for your kitchen. This kit includes a flexible turner, 12-inch tongs, square turner, spoon, slotted spoon, grater, as well as a swivel peeler, ice cream scoop, potato mashes, can opener, balloon whisk, spatula, meat tenderizer, pizza wheel, and holder. All of these kitchen utensils are extremely safe and can withstand temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slim-lined, space-efficient utensil holder with 14 of OXO's most important everyday kitchen tools. Includes flexible turner, 12-inch tongs, square turner, spoon, slotted spoon, grater. Also includes swivel peeler, ice cream scoop, potato masher, can opener, balloon whisk, spatula, meat tenderizer, pizza wheel, and holder. Large capacity utensil holder includes a removable drip tray, dishwasher safe. Style of base may vary. The nylon and silicone tools are heat resistant and safe for non-stick cookware, and each utensil has a soft, non-slip grip for comfort. For details, let's watch more.